the families with children to be monitored in respect of nutrition, health, and school attendance will be entitled to variable benefit. According to the official understanding expressly defined by the decree, it is in its Article 27, the conditions imposed for receiving the benefits, and I quote, represent compensations that must be complied by the families for the maintenance of benefits, and aims to, quote again, encourage family to exercise their rights of access to public policies and to identify social vulnerabilities that affect or prevent the access of families beneficiary of public services. However, I could not find official data to demonstrate that Bolsa Familia increased the number of people seeking public policy for education and health, so I do not know if these objectives are duly fulfilled by the government. In order to monitorize the effective compliance with the conditions, law creates a follow-up system comprising with Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Social Development and Hungry Alleviation, as well as the state and municipality agencies that have technical conditions to assist in the inspection of compliance with this kind of compensations. And the law creates complex structures for payment and benefits, matters of administration, and calculation of the results of this decentralization management. And here I try to objectively set the difference between Bolsa Familia and BHG. And regarding Bolsa Familia law and its comparison to essential elements of BHG, it leaves no doubt that it's impossible to reconcile the two institutes. Bolsa Familia, in its merit, has its merits in facing one of these most pressing issues in Brazil, an equal income distribution. However, it cannot be understood as application of Law 10835, which established the right to a BHG, basic income in Brazil, and carry a few weaknesses that basic income precisely seeks to remedy. Initially, from a fundamental legal logic, it is impossible to determine that Bolsa Familia program is an application of Law 10835 simply because it was instituted by a different law. So the Law 10836, the fundamentals of validity are quite different. So you have two legal grounds to fundament two different programs that should have been implemented.